Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special phone BMW old model BMW E46. Okay, there are SD card slots. Okay, let me introduce this button color and logo. You can choose time. You also can choose logo. Let me choose the Belsee. Show Belsee. And the theme editor, you can change any color on this panel. Change red. Okay. This button color also can be changed. Change blue, red, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Let me introduce the Carplay and Android Auto. This is USB Carplay dongle adapter. Let me open the box. Okay, you will get USB this dongle and instruction manual. This is the instruction manual, and you can check this iPhone Android Auto. Okay, this is AutoKit USB adapter to USB. This is plug and play. Okay. Firstly, you need to install the application from USB driver from Belsee. There is 4 USB backup head unit. USB ports, 4 USB ports. Okay. Okay, it will play music automatically. There are no sound because I do not connect small speaker. Okay, let me install AutoKit from USB. This is AutoKit APK. Install it. Okay, APK installed. Please open it. Please allow, plug and play. You can check the settings. Its working mode speed is fluently compatible. We choose the speed. Okay, return. It's a USB dongle. Let me connect back to USB. Therefore USB. Okay, connected. Please click OK. This is my Galaxy Z Plus, and this is original USB from Samsung. Okay, let me connect USB dongle. This USB. Okay. USB, connect USB ports. Okay. Okay, it shows the Android Auto. Okay, you can play music from Spotify. Okay, it can support Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify. and you can make phone call. You need to connect the Bluetooth. Already connect Bluetooth. You can check. Hang up. Okay. And then navigation. Google navigation, you can touch control. Also can New York. It will search the support the Google Voice command. Our country do not support the Google Voice command. Okay, this is return. Okay, this is Android Auto. Let me introduce the Carplay. Okay, this is my phone, iPhone XS. Okay, this is USB, original USB from Apple. Let me connect. Okay, it works with Carplay. Disconnect. Okay, let me try connect it. Okay, this is CarPlay already worked. It's home, this maps, message, music, phone. You can touch control with maps. Okay, it's music. There are no, I do not log in. Okay, this is CarPlay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Let me check the settings. System, about motion. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, that's all. Thank you.